In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Foxit Reader. Highlighting text in a PDF is perfect for studying, reviewing contracts, or marking anything you want to revisit later. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can start in seconds. First, open Foxit Reader and load the PDF you want to work on. Give the document a second to fully open so the toolbar at the top is active. At the top of the window, click the Home tab. This is where you'll find the basic tools you use most often. Look for the Highlight tool in the Annotation section. Click it once to turn it on. You'll notice your cursor changes, letting you know you're ready to mark text. Now move to the part of the page you want to emphasize. Click and hold at the beginning of the word or sentence, then drag across the text you want to highlight. When you let go, Foxit will automatically apply the highlight. If you have more to mark, keep the tool active and repeat the same click and drag motion on any other sentences or paragraphs. If you ever highlight the wrong part, press Ctrl+Z to undo or select the highlight and delete it. A quick tip, after you create a highlight, you can adjust how it looks. Select the highlighted area to see options where you can change the color or tweak the opacity so your text remains easy to read. If you're not seeing highlight options or the tool won't select the words, the text might actually be an image, like a scanned page. In that case, run OCR in Foxit or use a version of the document that has selectable text. When you're done marking what you need, switch back to your normal pointer by clicking the Select tool on the toolbar or pressing the Escape key. This prevents accidental highlights as you scroll. Take a moment to scroll through the document and make sure everything you wanted to call out is clearly marked. Finally, save your PDF so your highlights are preserved the next time you open it or share it. That's all there is to it. Open Foxit Reader, go to Home, click Highlight, click and drag over the text, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized reading workflow with your highlighted notes ready at a glance.